Artificial intelligence is transforming how organizations operate and compete. Yet, many leaders are still unsure of how to apply AI in real business decisions. Introducing the course, Understanding AI, What Leaders Need to Know. Designed for leaders, executives, and decision makers across all industries. No technical background is required. This course focuses on practical business understanding. Learn AI fundamentals, strategy, and how to unlock real business value. With Understanding AI, What Leaders Need to Know, gain the confidence to lead AI transformation in your organization. Join us today or visit our website lsbuk.com for more information.